Good afternoon, Miss Ucha.
Good afternoon.
So, as usual, we are going to do evaluation. So, I will evaluate the lesson plan that you have made for this week. The first, I will ask from the flashcard. Okay. Can you please explain about the flashcard that you are going to explain to the students?
So on Monday we will explain material about basic flashcard. They are alphabet, number 1 to 50.
Alphabet A until Z.
Yeah. For the uppercase and lowercase.
Uppercase and lowercase.
So we just mentioned the alphabet. And then number 1 to 50.
1 to 50.
Yeah. Also we just mentioned the number. After that, color and shapes.
How many color?
11.
11 shapes.
18.
18. Still remember?
Huh?
What are they?
For the color, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, white, black, brown, and white.
Ready?
Black.
Black. How about the shapes?
The shape, they are oval, circle, star, crescent, cross, and then parallelogram, pentagram, octagon, hexagon, after that spiral, arrow, and then right triangle, rectangle, square.
Alright, so for the alphabet A until Z, you just ask them to mention without writing.
We writing, but for the flashcard we only mention
Especially only for flashcard, you ask them to mention.
the basic flashcard. We just mention.
How about number? Just mention only without writing. Same here. The color? How about color?
Something like that.
To match or?
No, we just mention it.
So you show the color, for example. This one. Oh, what color is this? This green. Like that.
Yeah.
Together or as one by one?
Together.
Together. So 4 of this for this week.
Yes. For every week on Monday we do the same thing. We just mention the flashcard.
So you do alphabet, number, color, shapes. 4 of this on Monday.
Yeah.
So on Tuesday, what will you do?
On Tuesday we have alphabet too, and then we have action, vehicle, that vegetable.
Okay, can you explain about that?
For action, we mention the
I see here still flashcard on Tuesday.
yeah, but there are so many types.
Oh, okay. So can you please explain on Tuesday what will you do with the flashcard? You show them or what?
We show the picture.
Oh,
For
you show
example,
the picture about.
There are like white, and then bill, pink, blue.
Just now I heard you say about vegetable.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we mentioned them.
Oh, okay. How many? How many
Every
vegetables?
week different means.
So for this week?
But we have defined the flashcard. So for this week, this one.
Is it like maybe you ask them to pick, yeah, or or you pick by your own and then you ask them. Okay, like this. So
the material from the founder.
I mean, how's the way? How is the way to explain about this flashcard on Tuesday? Because I see here that you show the picture for the vegetables and then you ask them to categorize, is it?
No.
So it's different with the LP. The LPs.
We have the question over there. So
Here you say that you put here, right, guru menunjukkan gambar vegetables dan guru meminta siswa untuk mengkategorikan sayuran hijau atau sayuran berwarna lain. So how is it? That's different with your explanation.
for that one, because some flashcard like for vegetables, so many green flashcard, right? Type of vegetable.
But here not only green vegetables.
So I just asked them to re-mention again. We have mentioned, right? And then I asked them to re-mention again which one the vegetable with different color, like that. If I'm not wrong, only 2 or 3 colors.
Oh yeah. Okay, so the next, what picture again? Is it only vegetables?
No.
So
About vehicles also, and then about action flashcard, like that.
oh, vehicle also. Okay. Yeah. Action also.
Yeah.
What else?
And then only that.
Only that. But I see
And,
still.
in
it's still.
Tuesday we mentioned about alphabet too. So if on Monday we bring material about basic flashcard, right? Alphabet, number, color, and shape. And then later on Tuesday, I will bring again the alphabet, and then action. After that, vegetable, vehicles,
But here
and part of bodies.
Oh yeah. Okay. But here not only that. You put here again about clothes. Is it?
Yeah, clothes too.
Okay. How about the clothes? What happened with the clothes? You ask them to mention or what?
We asked them to mention the picture.
The picture of the
So
clothes.
every week actually different picture. Like for
But this is the LP for this week, miss,
Yeah.
on Tuesday. So here you ask them to mention the clothes at the home.
yeah. Sometimes I ask them to ignore the question. Like I show the picture and then I ask them to mention who used these clothes, mommy or daddy. Later they will say.
Or maybe, for example, you show skirt and then you ask them who wear this, mom or dad, like that. Ask them to answer together, or maybe you ask them to raise up their hand and then you choose by your own. No.
I ask them, and then some of them can raise their hand. If they don't know, they just not. Or later I will choose again the student who cannot answer. I explain again.
Don't you think it's better you ask them to answer together first, or if they don't know, for example, this one, right? They don't know, even one of them, they don't raise up their hand, and then you answer together with them. After that, you repeat again the same question, and then you ask them to raise up their hand.
Yeah. Sometimes some of the students can answer it directly, like who is this? And then they raise their hand, they already answer like that.
Okay. So what is the solution for the students that never raise up their hand, for example?
I will re-ask again. So
Yes, okay.
they will know about that material.
Okay, so for Wednesday, what will you do?
Wednesday, same like Tuesday we do engineering, and then
For the flashcard.
Oh, for the flashcard.
Is it same, the material with Tuesday?
No different actually.
What is it about?
It's about animal from animals, about from animal, fruit.
Oh, from animal. Wild, is it?
What?
Is there any wild animal? No?
Actually, farm animal, jungle animal, ocean animal, forest animal.
Jungle animal. How many? How many animals? Maybe you categorize, okay, for farm animal, I choose only 5, for example, like that. Oh, what?
The animals not until 10 for the farm animal.
For the flashcard, yeah. Oh, how about the jungle animal?
Something like that too. Actually, we have a lot of picture, right? And then we divide for 4 weeks. So actually, I cannot.
Random.
It's not. They are not the same.
So you mean that the LP that you have made here, that's actually for 4 weeks, is it?
No, for this week, right? 6 January until 10 January, we say that one is week 1 and week 2, like that.
So actually this LP for 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Oh.
The flashcard for 2 weeks, like that.
Oh yeah, I see. That is okay. I just asked from the LP that you have made. Actually, I didn't know about it. Okay. So, how about for Thursday? Still flashcard?
For Thursday, yes, of course.
What is it about again? For Thursday?
For Thursday, we talk about first food, furniture, color.
Furniture?
Yeah, color, shape, inside.
The picture still same, the previous?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So it means that you re-ask again.
To make sure they can master.
They still remember, they still memorize on that. So for Friday?
Friday we only have project and coloring.
How many projects?
2.
What are they?
Transferring water with funnel. Yeah.
Transferring water with
Funnel.
what else?
One more art and craft, dancing people.
Art
And
and
craft.
with
The title dancing people.
dancing people. What is it? Yeah.
So we make like a human, but it can move from the paper.
Okay, I start from the first, right? Transferring water with funnel. What is that?
So we will ask the student one by one to transfer a water from a cup to the bottle use funnel. Like that.
Oh, so they will put the funnel in their mouth.
So the cup, we provide the cup and the bottle. After that, we put the funnel on the bottle.
How is it? I don't understand. Wait. For example, this one
cup. This one bottle.
Okay, and
So
then where will you put the funnel?
On the bottle, right?
Oh, okay.
So the cup, the water from the cup, we ask them to transfer
by themselves.
Yeah, by themselves.
I think it will be wet, right?
Yeah. So we ask them to transfer water and then make sure the table is still neat.
Still?
Neat, not messy. So if the table.
So you remind them, don't be wet, yeah, like that.
Yeah. Or we provide the napkin so they can dry the table
Alright.
after they did the
Oh yeah. Okay, so how if they cannot do that?
Overall, all of my students now already understand if the table is wet. They take tissue, or sometimes they take tissue, but we always ask them to dry the table with the napkin that we have provided.
Alright, okay.
They already understand.
How, I mean, this is the bottle for example. Until full, is it until full, the water? So, half?
Yeah,
Half only. Or maybe you give time. Oh, okay. Okay, Miss, give you only 30 seconds now.
No.
Oh,
So we just follow them naturally like that.
okay. So just transferring with water with the funnel,
Yeah.
yeah? And then for the art and craft, what will you do?
We will do dancing class. So I will provide the paper, and then later we make the paper become some shape like circle, and then I will ask them.
Oh, I thought from the paper you create a man or a woman maybe, no?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
I cannot say, but I think that's a man. So I will have them to make the art and craft, to make the paper will set properly, right? And then if they move like this, the art and craft can move like dancing people like that.
Okay. So what will you need for that? Paper and then?
For the art and craft, I need paper and then origami actually.
Origami paper.
Yeah, origami paper. Glue. The glue and or maybe
Don't you need string?
stapler and stapler too.
Okay, string? You don't need.
String, scissors, and marker.
The color pencil maybe? No. How many color for the marker? Is it only black or red?
Black only.
Black only?
Yeah.
What will you do with the black? To
I just
draw the hair?
No, the eyes and nose and mouth on that.
Nose and mouth. Nose is black.
Yeah.
Nose and mouth.
Yeah.
Mouth also black. It's only one marker in it. This is by group or individually?
Individually.
For both of these projects? For both of these projects individually?
They will take turns.
Take turn, not do together?
No. For nursery class, we will
So how
the
you said
paper.
take turn. So how about others if they don't have anything to do?
So we will share first, right? The paper. We give instruction or may not break the paper. And then so they will wait for me to come to them. The other will keep the stuff. How to say? I asked them to keep the paper like that.
You ask them to keep the paper by themselves.
Or because we have three teachers in the room. I guess Miss Desi will help me with some of students. Because for nursery students, they cannot do it by themselves like K1, K2. So we should guide them like that.
Alright. Okay, so I take a question from the flashcard here. I see there are some furniture. Can you explain about the mattress?
I will explain about mattress. The mattress is a thing that we use when we want to sleep. Like that. That's for the familiar.
You didn't read the explanation, but you made here.
Yeah, I made it. But sometimes my student doesn't understand it. So we should.
Oh, you give the simple
we
explanation to them. Simple way how to explain it in a simple way to make them easy understand.
Because if they still don't understand explain in bahasa because some of my students doesn't understand.
So I just want, I just want you to know only the meaning because you made this right. Okay, now we move to insects. What is cricket? Cricket.
I make if I explain, I say like this. Have you ever seen an insect with a good voice like that?
Let me make a sound.
Yeah.
Okay. So if they don't understand, then
Like
that's
that.
cricket.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah.
You show the picture or
Because
not?
I guess
You show the picture.
yeah. Some of students doesn't know to the inside. Some of inside they never see before.
Even though you have shown the picture.
What is that means? They say that.
Okay.
Some of them only know about butterflies.
So how will you explain about tortoise to them? Jungle animals.
For jungle animal,
Tortoise.
with my own language, with my own explanation, I will say, do you know an animal which what we always walk slowly, and then if you have a story about this animal ever do a race with a rabbit like that.
What color can an apple be?
Red.
Only red.
Yeah.
But
Red,
here,
green,
and
yellow.
what fruit do monkeys love to eat?
What miss?
What fruit do monkeys love to eat?
Monkey,
Mm-mm.
banana,
What color is a blueberry?
blue. It's blue. The color is blue.
Which is smaller, cherry or an apple?
Cherry.
Why do people like coconut water?
Because that feel fresh.
Why are cranberries healthy?
Because it has much vitamin.
What color is the inside of a kiwi?
Inside of kiwi, green, and the seed is black. The seeds are black.
Why do people have bookshelves?
That's to organize the book. The people has books out.
Why do we need chairs?
Because we should sit on the chair.
Where do crickets live?
Cricket lives in meadow.
In?
Meadow.
That's different with the answer here.
Field.
No.
Grass.
Yeah, you made grass. What big reptile has sharp teeth?
What is?
What big reptile has sharp teeth?
It's crocodile.
Crocodile.
Alligator.
What animal has long legs and runs fast?
It's long neck.
Long legs.
Long
legs.
Giraffe.
No.
Long neck. Ostrich.
And
Antelope.
yes, you made it correct here. Where do bats live?
The bat lives in the cave.
Okay. What big cat has black spots?
What big?
What
Oh,
big
it's
cat?
black jaguar.
Black jaguar. Why do we need arms?
Why do we need arms?
Hmm.
We need arms to hold something.
Can you wiggle your thumbs?
Wiggle it. Yeah. Like that.
I just asked the question from
Yeah.
here. Sorry. What does a bee make?
A bee makes honey. Bee, right?
Yeah. Okay. What does a billy goat eat?
Bee go eat grass.
Why are bulls strong?
What, miss?
Why are bulls strong?
Bull. Because it has a big body and sharp horn. Did I say?
What does a cow give us?
A cow.
A cow.
A cow
A cow. It's already a cow.
give us. Oh, a cow give us milk. Produce milk.
What can an eagle do?
Eagle can fly so high.
Eagle can fly so high. Do you think bears are dangerous?
Yeah, of course.
Why?
Because bear is a wild animal.
Okay. Why do you think people like avocado?
Because it's good and the taste is so yummy.
Yummy, yeah. Do cherries have a hole inside?
A hole?
Yeah.
No. It has seed inside. Cherry.
Cherry, yeah. But your answer is not no, yes here.
Yes.
Yes, cherries have a hole inside. You said just now no.
Oh. That's right.
Where do clownfish live?
Clownfish live in coral reef in the ocean.
Ocean. How about the cuttlefish? Does she have tentacles?
Yeah. It has tentacles.
Where do dolphins live? Dolphins.
In the ocean.
The ocean. How about the killer whales?
Killer whale lives in the ocean too.
Oh yeah. Can you explain about paint?
Paint. That's when we spread some color on canvas or on paper.
How about belt? How will you explain to the student about belt?
Belt. Belt is
Belt.
built.
Belt.
Oh, belt. Do you know? I explained about belt. Belt is a stuff that our dad always use. We put on the waist.
Okay. How about cabbage? How will you explain about cabbage?
Cabbage.
Yes.
Cabbage is a vegetable with green.
Cabbage or cabbage?
Cabbage.
Cabbage.
With green color, and then the shapes are circle.
Cabbage. What? Can you please repeat?
Cabbage is a vegetable with green color and it's round like a ball.
Ambulance.
Ambulance is an transportation with Nina sound.
Alright, actually for the flashcard, most of the definition are not same with
With
the explanation here that you have put, but because still related to the topic, to the word like ambulance, like carriage and so on, I think it can be accepted. So for whole, you could explain also well about the projects, both of the projects, and then for flashcard alphabet, number, color, shapes, and so on. So I think you passed this time. Okay, thank you for the time, Miss.
Welcome.